Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. I am KM-Pensyarah. Before we start, I would like to remind all of you, please copy the solution of all examples in this lesson. Today, we are going to discuss topic 5, integration, for subtopic 5.1, integration of function. Let's get started. Learning outcome. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to use the basic rule of integration. You must remember all basic rule of integration. There are 4 rules. The first one is constant rule. Integrate dx equals to x plus c. The second one is power rule. Integrate x to the power of n dx equal x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c for n does not equal to negative 1. So we can use all n except for negative 1. The third one is constant multiple rule. Integrate k affect dx. We bring out the constant k, which is k integrate affect dx. The fourth one is sum and difference rule. Integrate affect plus minus gx dx equals to integrate affect dx plus minus integrate gx dx. Now, let's practice. Rule number 1. Integrate dx equals to x plus c. For example, we have integrate 3 dx, which is 3x plus c. Let's say we have integrate negative 2 dx. This one equal to negative 2x plus c. And then let's say we have integrate 1 over 2 dx. We get 1 over 2x plus c. Let's practice rule number 2. Integrate x to the power of n dx equals to x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. We can use this rule for all of n except n equals to negative 1. So let's say we have integrate x to the power of 3 dx. So following this rule, we get x to the power of 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus c, which give x to the power of 4 over 4 plus c. Let's say we have integrate x to the power of negative 2 dx. So this one, x to the power of negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1 plus c. So x to the power of negative 2 plus 1, we get x to the power of negative 1. So this one is become x power negative 1 over negative 1. This one is over negative 1 plus c. Let's practice rule number 3. Integrate k affect dx equals to k integrate affect dx. For example, we have integrate 2x squared dx. We can bring out 2 integrate x squared dx. And then we integrate x squared dx. We get x to the power of 3 over 3 plus c. So finally we get 2x cubed over 3 plus c. Let's say we have integrate x over 2 dx. So this one we bring out 1 over 2, then integrate x dx. 1 over 2 multiply integrate x dx, we get x squared over 2 plus c. And then we simplify, we get x squared over 4 plus c. Let's practice rule number 4. Integrate fx plus minus gx dx equals to integrate fx dx plus minus integrate gx dx. This rule, if we see the operation plus minus, we can integrate one by one. For example, we have, let's say, integrate 2x plus 2 minus x squared dx. So this one we can integrate one by one, since we have plus and minus. And also we can split into 3 parts. So we can split into integrate 2x dx plus integrate 2 dx minus integrate x squared dx. So, and then we integrate one by one, we get 2x squared over 2 plus integrate 2 dx become 2x minus integrate x squared, we get x cubed over 3 plus c. Finally, we simplify, we get 2x squared over 2. Simplify, we can cancel out 2. Then we get x squared plus 2x minus x cubed over 3 plus c. Now, let's look at an example involving basic rules of integration. Example 5. Find the following integral. For question A, integrate 2 dx. Since 2 is a constant, so then to integrate 2 dx, we can use rule number 1, which is the constant rule. So, we integrate 2 dx, then we get 2x, don't forget to write, plus c. So then integrate 2 dx is equal to 2x plus c. Next, for question B, integrate 1 over 3 dx. Since 1 over 3 is a constant, so then this question is also this question, to integrate this question, we can use rule number 1. So then we get 1 over 3x plus c. And then for question C, integrate sub 5 dx. Since sub 5 is also constant, so to integrate this question, we can use rule number 1. So then we get integrate sub 5 dx, we get sub 5x plus c. For question D, integrate x to the power of 4 dx. This question is similar like a power rule, which is integrate x to the power of n dx. Then we get x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So then to integrate x power of 4 dx, we get x power of 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 plus c. And then we simplify, 4 plus 1 we get 5, then we get x power of 5 over 5 plus c. And then for question E, integrate 1 over x cubed dx. For this question, we can simplify in the easiest form to integrate. So we change integrate 1x cubed dx to integrate x power negative 3 dx. And then we can integrate this one, x to the power of negative 3 plus 1 over negative 3 plus 1 plus c. And then we simplify, we get x power negative 2 over negative 2 plus c. And finally, we simplify and then we get negative 1 over 2x squared plus c. Next, for question F, we have integrate sub x dx. So for this question, we also can change in the easiest form to integrate. We change to integrate x power 1 over 2 dx. And then we integrate this one, we get x power 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c. 1 over 2 plus 1, we get 3 over 2. So then, x power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. Then we can change to 2 over 3 plus c. Finally, this is the answer for integrate sub x dx. Example 6. Find the following integral. Question A, integrate 3x power 1 over 2 dx. So, first we bring out 3 to the front. Then we get 3 integrate x power 1 over 2 dx. After that, we integrate x power 1 over 2. So, then we get 3 x power 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1. Don't forget to write plus c. And then we simplify, we get 3 x power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus c. Then we simplify, we get 3 divided by 3 over 2, we get 2. So then finally we get 2x power 3 over 2 plus c. Then next we continue with question B. We have integrate 4 over sub x dx. So then we bring out 4 to the front, we get 4 integrate 1 over sub x dx. And then we simplify, we change integrate 1 over sub x dx to integrate x to the power of negative 1 over 2 dx. And then we integrate, then we get 4 integrate x power negative 1 over 2. We get x power negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over negative 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c. Then we simplify, we get 4 x power 1 over 2 over 1 over 2 plus c. And then we simplify, 4 divided by 1 over 2, we get 8. Then x power 1 over 2 is sub x. So then finally we get 8 sub x plus c. For question C, integrate 1 over 2 x to the power of 3 dx. So we bring out 1 over 2. So then we get 1 over 2 integrate 1 over x cubed dx. And then we change integrate 1 over x cubed dx to x to the power of negative 3. So then we get 1 over 2 integrate x to the power of negative 3 dx. And then we integrate, so then we get 1 over 2 x power to the power of negative 3 plus 1 over negative 3 plus 1 plus c. So then we simplify, negative 3 plus 2, we get negative 2. So then we get 1 over 2 x to the power of negative 2
over negative 2 plus c. Then we simplify. 1 over 2 times 1 over negative 2, we get negative 1 over 4. Then x power negative 2, we bring to the bottom. So then we get negative 1 over 4 x squared plus c. So this is the answer. So then next we continue with question D. We have integrate 7y to the power of 3 over 4 dy. So this is one we want to integrate with respect to y. So first we bring 7 out. So then we get 7 integrate y to the power of 3 over 4 dy. And then we integrate, we get 7 y to the power of 3 over 4 plus 1 over 3 over 4 plus 1 and plus c. And then 3 over 4 plus 1, we get 7 over 4. So we simplify, we get 7 y to the power of 7 over 4 over 7 over 4 plus c. Then we divide 7 with 7 over 4, we get 4. So finally we get 4 y to the power of 7 over 4 plus c. So this is the answer for question D. Let's see example 7. The question A, we want to find integrate x plus 1 multiply 2 minus x dx. For this case, we need to expand. So this one, we need to expand and you get 4 terms. So to expand this one, the first one, we multiply x by 2. So we get the first one is 2x. Then the second one, x multiplied by x. So then we get minus x squared. The third one, 1 multiplied by 2, we get plus 2. Then 1 multiplied by x, we get minus x dx. Then after that, we simplify, we get, since this is 2x minus x, we get x minus x squared plus 2 dx. Then for this case, we have the operation minus and plus. We can split into 3 parts. For this case, we split into 3 parts. The first part, we get integrate x dx, then minus integrate x squared dx plus integrate 2 dx. So then we integrate x dx, we get x squared to the power of x squared over 2 minus integrate x squared dx, we get x cubed over 3. Then finally, integrate 2 dx, we get plus 2x plus c. So this is the answer for question A. The question B, we want to find integrate 3t to the power of 6 minus 2t squared plus 7t plus 5 dt. So first, we split into 4 parts since we have the operation minus and plus. So we can use sum and difference rule. So then we get integrate 3t to the power of 6 dt minus integrate 2t squared dt plus integrate 7t dt, then plus integrate 5 dt. And then we need to integrate one by one. We have 4 parts. So the first one, integrate 3t to the power of 6 dt. So since we have constant 3, so we can bring out 3 to the front. So then we get 3 integrate t to the power of 6 dt minus, okay, the second one we have integrate 2t square dt. We also have the constant 2, we can bring out 2. So 2 integrate t square dt, then we continue plus, so then we have integrate 7t dt, we bring out 7, so we get 7 integrate 3 dt, then plus integrate 5 dt. Okay, so then we integrate one by one. The first one, we get 3 t power of 7 over 7. The second one minus 2t square, so mean we get 2t cube over 3. Then 7 integrate t, we get 7t square over 2. Then integrate 5 dt, we get 5t dt plus c. So then we check if we can simplify this one. So since the first one is 3 over 7, we cannot simplify. 2 over t also we cannot simplify. 7 over 2 we cannot simplify. So this one, this is the answer for question B. So 3t to the power of 7 over 7 minus 2t cube over 3 plus 7t square over 2 plus t plus 5t plus c. Question C. We want to find integrate y to the power of 5 plus 2y square minus 1 over y to the power of 4 dy. So for this case, we want to integrate with respect to y. So what we can do for this question, for this case, we can split into 3 part. So kita pecahkan. Yang pertama, we get integrate y to the power of 5 over y to the power of 4 dy. So then, the second one, plus integrate 2y square over y to the power of 4 dy. Then minus integrate 1 over y to the power of 4 dy. So then we simplify one by one. The first one, y to the power of 5 over y to the power of 4. So this one we can simplify by using rule of indices. So y to the power of 5 over y to the power of 4. So then we get y dy. So we have integrate y dy. Then plus integrate 2y square over y power 4. So this one we have a constant 2. So we bring out 2. Then y square over y to the power of 4. We can simplify this one by using rule of indices. So then we get 2 integrate y power negative 2 dy. Then minus, so this one we change to integrate y to the power of negative 4 dy. So then we integrate one by one. So the first one we have y square over 2 plus 2 y to the power of negative 1 over negative 1 minus y to the power of negative 3 over negative 3 plus c. And then we simplify these 3 terms. The first one we remains, that this one is as y square over 2. The second one we can simplify this one minus 2 over y. The third one we can simplify this one 4 1 over 3 y cube plus c. So The answer for C is y squared over 2 minus 2 over y plus 1 over 3 y cubed plus C.
Finally, it comes to the end of the lesson. Please remember that your learning process is depend on what you read, what you hear, what you see, and what you talk about. So that's all for now. Thank you. Bye.